In this video, I want to talk about how you can add multiple images to variants on Shopify. Now what you want to do is head over to your products, select the product that you want to do it with. Now in here, what you want to do is find your variant. So let's say you want to do this one. Let's just call this small. Press done. Then what you want to do is come down here and you want to select, let's say, green, blue, red. Press done. And then what you want to do is simply add the pictures from in here. So here you can select a green one, select a blue one, and select a red one. So now you'll have multiple images inside of this variant. Then you can select whatever you want for the price, press save, and it should be done. I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.